And here is the tool changing box, and it contains 7 pockets. Here is the part of the circuitry, electronic circuitries. And here is some MOSFET. I encountered failings or failure of these components. They fail easily. Anytime if there is short circuits or the relay contact poorly, wrongly, large currents will get them blow out. And I already incorporate these pieces. This is something like circuit breaker. I took it from an old hand drill, the rechargeable hand drill. You see this blue one. After I take it out, the blue one hand drill still work. But even so, they still blew out. Maybe I connect these pieces in a wrong position, in wrong circuitries. Anyway, I now include some fuse to protect just in front of this MOSFET, and some fuse, 2 fuse holder, one for the pocket motor. This is this MOSFET pocket motor, one for this, for the sliding movement of the toolbox forward and backward. I will do this. And underneath there is another relay port, a 4-piece relay. This one here. I bought this from the website. So there are 6 pieces of relays. They are of something 15 ampere, 10 to 15 ampere each. So 4 pieces for this, for the pocket motors, 2 pocket motor, 2-piece relays for the movement of the toolbox, and this MOSFET and relay is used for clockwise and anti-clockwise polarities, or the rotation, motor rotation. And the MOSFET is used to control the voltage. The larger the supply voltage, the faster will be the motor. And this is the power sources. I mentioned it previously. This is a power pack from the rechargeable hand tools, 5 ampere hours, 18 volt. This is very good pieces, and it can provide a very large capacities or the current requirement.